Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do something special and work on a Temu review. I bought some yarn and some hooks and just wanted to go through it with you. So as you can see, I did not open up the package. So this is my first time seeing these products with you. I'm going to speed up really quickly so that I can get through this and we can start looking at this beautiful yarn. I'll be right back. These are 100 grams a piece, and there they are. Very nice. Let's look at that yarn in the middle. I'm going to try to find, and of course, as always, it's never that easy. Crochet, they say. It'll be easy, they say. Okay, let's go ahead and pull this off here. So, because I want to see what the yarn looks like. Okay, he's been getting strand. So as you can see, it's a lot of little strands here to make it nice and thick. And again, it's called a cotton yarn. It's 100% cotton right there. Oops, I don't know why I can't stay in the camera. Cotton yarn, 100 grams, 100% cotton. Okay, made in China, like a lot of our products. Okay, so it is machine washable, I think. Yeah, so you can put it into the machine, but it's not good to dry it. I don't know. So there's that blue. So now we're going to move on to our Merin worsted wool thread. And let's go ahead and open this up so we can see what they look like. You get about 10 in this package here. And this is one of them. Very nice and soft. It's a worsted wool thread. 95% wool and 5% polyester. And I will say this with any yarn, you can wash your yarn before you use it. So I mean, before wash your garment. So once you make your garment, go ahead and wash your yarn just to make sure you get any dirt or debris or anything like that, or bugs. I'm going to say it, or bugs, because bugs travel too. So it comes with 10 skeins. The whole package is 500 grams. They're 50 grams each. 50 grams each. So you get 10 of those. And it doesn't say a color. Red wine is the color. So then I got some of this navy blue here. Same thing. Very pretty. I'm trying to buy fall colors. So this is a very pretty blue. I'm getting into blue. I'm getting to like blue, especially royal blue and navy blue. Very nice. And this is how thin it is. So it is a thread. You can double that up if you want to. Make something really nice, or use that one strand, and make a pretty sweater or something like that. And now for my crochet hooks. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. I don't really need crochet hooks. I have enough crochet hooks, but I like having more than one type. So I like that plastic, and then I like silicone, and I just like whatever's going to help me to grip better without hurting my hands. So they come with the normal sizes. So you start off with a 2.5 millimeter hook, and then you work your way all the way up to a 6. Very nice and soft. Well, I wouldn't say that, camera, sorry. I wouldn't say that they're soft, but it is made out of silicone. These are tips here. Let's go ahead and try one on some yarn here. I just got a regular, okay. The 5 millimeter hook is the white one. So let's go ahead and see what that looks like here. And let's just make a quick chain. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. Go right. That yarn goes right through that hook, goes right through that yarn. Nice and smooth. So I'm in love with them already. They're nice and sturdy. And so you have that middle section there where you have your little number, and then you have your thumb rest here. Very nice hooks. More pretty hooks here. You got that 2.5 and a 4.0 and a 6 millimeter hook. So very nice hooks. Let's try the 6 millimeter hook. Nice and smooth. The one thing I cannot stand are hooks that rub up against the yarn, if that makes sense. And it makes it harder to pull through because it's kind of tight, or I don't know how to describe it. But as you're yarning over and pulling through, it kind of has a little bit of resistance. Some hooks do. But this does not have that resistance, and it's making a very beautiful chain. So I will be using these. You will see these in my crochet videos. Very nice hooks. So that is my Temu review. I have these. I got the hook and I got some yarn here. It's called Merin, Yedan Merin worsted wool thread. And then I have the beautiful wine color. And then that pretty navy blue, I'm sorry, royal blue cotton yarn there. So guys, thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope that it helped just a little bit, even if it's just a few minutes short, just at least so you can see what that Temu yarn looks like. It's really not bad, guys. It's worth the money. It took me, I ordered this on the 25th. Today is the 2nd. Today is the 2nd of November, so it didn't take very long, which is pretty normal for me when I order from Temu. It usually takes about a week or so. No more than a week, no more than 7 days does it take. So go ahead, guys, and get on to Temu and give them a try. I'm going to link all of this thread and the crochet hooks in the description box. So come back for another tutorial. The next tutorial we're going to have is going to be a hooded scarf. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.